Alright, so for the second part of the situation analysis, I'll be going through the SWOT analysis. So first, strengths. Uh, so there are many ways people can reduce their impact, their carbon footprint, but few options to really offset their impact. This is where the green microgym comes in to help people keep track of their carbon footprint reduction. The green microgym also has the capability to significantly lower their power saving costs. According to the Go Sports Art, with 2 treadmills, 2 ellipticals, 2 upright cycles, and 2 recumbent cycles, they save nearly $500 a year on utilities. If they are going to have a cycle class without having any other equipment, 16 bikes alone can save up to $1,000. Weaknesses. Technology delivery has not yet been patented. The green microgym equipment will not be exclusively sold to us. Also, existing gyms can add electricity generating machines into their facility to capture the market that not only wants to help reduce their carbon footprint, but also wants access to amenities that the green microgym doesn't offer. Opportunities, consistent growth in the marketplace, seen an increase across the U.S. market of 3.6% year over year for gym memberships, and a 7.6% growth in total revenue across the industry in the U.S. market from 2015 to 2016. Members on average will visit their own gym 106 times per year. Helping to make more out of each visit can boost gyms' revenues. Gym attendance can also help to dictate savings on utilities, so with more regular attendance you get more savings. Boutique style or specialty gyms are increasingly popular with millennials seeking memberships with a cause, and this is green membership. This is green membership they can belong to. Yeah. One significant factor in joining a green gym is geographic proximity to the member's home. Finding a densely populated area or neighborhood around the city without any gyms around would be a good deal and a good opportunity. Threats. Some companies have come out with accessories you can add to your existing treadmill or stationary bike that will generate electricity, allowing consumers to add to their current workout equipment without having to purchase an entirely new piece of equipment. Yeah. Customers may file suit for increased exposure to electric and magnetic fields associated with stored energy, or may sue for injuries associated with unsupervised equipment. Utility regulations that could impose fees or permits to connect to local grids would be a threat. There are over 300 gyms in the Seattle area. This leads to lots of competition for membership. Many competitive gyms have similar or cheaper pricing structures, and if cost effectiveness is a major driving force, that will hurt membership. All right.